Hi everybody, over the last couple of days I've been working through requests for custom locations from my private server members, and so I thought I'd share some of them with the DayZ, Xbox, PlayStation and PC community, so the custom Json files and the XML snippets to spawn them in. So in this particular little package, you'll find the link to my GitHub repository in the description below the video. It spawns in two pubs in Livonia. One at Hrud and one at Sitnicki, and in both cases there's like a pub, and there's some extra bits as well. So the one at Sitnicki's got a couple of greenhouses, a shed, chicken coop, and a couple of toilets, so you may well want to adjust the territories for the hen to get some hens in. And then the one at Hrud has just the pub, a greenhouse, a outside loo, and a little carousel in the pub garden. So all you got to do is, if you go to my GitHub repository, and it's the DayZ Extra 2 Livonia pubs at Hrud and Sitnicki for console and PC one, just go there, and then you want to click on the green code button and download the zip. And then within the zip you'll find all of the relevant files. There's the pictures, which aren't that particularly useful beyond the fact that you know what you want. This one's quite good actually. This shows you the location of the two if you're not quite sure where they are. What is really important though is the readme file. So if you just follow the readme file, that goes through step by step how you're meant to do it. So let's just open this. Here we go. So there's the readme file. So it goes through in detail. Now, if you're new to doing this, what you need to make sure you do is go to your Nitrado, new to this for console and PC, I guess. Go to your server control panel in the general settings, and for console, make sure you've got enable CFG gameplay.json ticked. If you're on PC, you'll need to go into your serverdz.config file and add a line that makes it turn on. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below the video to Bohemia Interactive page that tells you how to turn it on, so that's good. And then basically after that it's a simple case of going to your file browser, going to the missions folder for the particular folder. Let's imagine this says Enoch. I know it says Chernus, but imagine it's a neat Enoch. You put it in the Enoch one, and you go into the custom folder, and then you upload the Livonia Sitnicki pub JSON file, upload the Livonia Hrud pub.json file, and then you just go into the root directory for the server. Remember, it's Livonia, it'd be the Enoch one, not the Chernus one. Should have picked a different server, shouldn't I? Go into the gameplay.json file, find the bit about the object spawner array, and then consulting the readme, I tell you exactly how it should appear. So it's that line there. If you've got any other files underneath, I'll show you how to do it. Basically it's custom / the name of the files, comma, all in inverted commas. And then once you've done that, you go to your map group pos file. Remember, if you haven't got access to the map group pos file, download it using that button, edit it, and then re-upload it. But basically, in fact, I might as well do it now. Download it. There we go. Show it folder. Open it up. Make some space at the top, and then what you'll see in the README is that's the bit that you add after the map reference at the top. Just add that. Once you've done that, save, re-upload it, or you can edit it on the web sometimes, and then simply restart your server. And what you'll find is pretty soon stuff will start. The buildings will spawn in immediately, so you'll see them straight away. And then the loot will then start to spawn in slowly after, depending on how much loot you've got on your particular server. So I'm probably going to do a few more of these, and the beauty with this new system we've got with 1.15 with DayZ is that you can have as many of these JSON files as you like from different people, and just refer to them in your gameplay.json, and you can have all these custom cool little locations. Anyway, that's enough from me. Hopefully you found that useful. If you have, like, if you want to see more of the same, press subscribe, and I will of course see you again soon.